While the Litter Robot 4 is a great device that makes it so you no longer have to scoop litter, it does still need to be cleaned from time to time. And in this video, we will be going over some steps you can take to help keep it clean. The main steps in this video can also be applied to the Litter Robot 3, so don't worry if you don't have a Litter Robot 4. Personally, I recommend deep cleaning the Litter Robot 4 every 3 to 4 months, but it will depend on how dirty it gets over time, which can depend on the number of cats you have, how they use the litter box, and what type of litter you use. For maintenance cleaning, I typically wipe down the inside of the globe every 2 or 3 weeks, depending on how dirty it gets. I've landed on using the Litter Robot wipes for this task. You can get 30 in a canister, so they should last around a year, which isn't too bad, and they are very thick, which I like. The wipes have enzymes that help digest organic material and remove smell. There are other litter box type wipes that are similar that may or may not work, but I have not tried them, so I'm not sure on how well they actually work. If you have used other wipes, I would love to know your experience with them, so make sure to let me know in the comments below. I've also tried the Litter Robot spray from Whisker, which has the same ingredients as the wipes. You just have to provide your own paper towels, which work just as fine, but I prefer using the wipes instead. To wipe down the globe, I'll cycle the Litter Robot, and once it's upside down, wipe down the globe. After I'm done, I can just toss the wipe down the chute into the waste bin. If you want to let the globe fully dry before litter is put back, you could unplug the Litter Robot from power until it's dry, and then plug it back in for it to finish its cycle. I'll have links in the description below for both the wipes and spray, along with a link to save $25 off the purchase of a Litter Robot if you happen to be considering picking one up. For a complete clean of the Litter Robot 4, push the empty button to have the Litter Robot empty all of the litter into the waste bin. For this video, I will be cleaning the globe outside with a hose, but if you plan on cleaning it in a bathtub or wash tub, you want to make sure that you get all of the litter out of the globe before washing it. Cat litter can easily clog your plumbing and cause some serious damage. If at all possible, I really recommend cleaning the Litter Robot outside, but if you don't have the option, take extra care to make sure no litter goes down your drain. In reality, a few pieces of cat litter down the drain probably won't cause any damage right away, but over time it can easily become a problem. After the empty cycle is completed, turn off the Litter Robot. Next, remove the waste bin and remove the waste bin bag. Then, remove the bonnet cover and take the globe off the base. After, use a vacuum to vacuum out any loose litter in the base, waste bin, around the Litter Robot, and all the other nooks and crannies of the Litter Robot. After, wipe down the bonnet and any part of the base of the Litter Robot that looks dirty. Just make sure to avoid any electronics and sensors. Now it's time to bring the globe and waste bin outside to clean. Don't forget to grab your ramp as well if you have one. For cleaning, I use a standard dish soap in a bucket with water from the hose. I do have a separate brush and rubber gloves for cleaning the Litter Robot as well. I like to hose down what I'm washing first to dislodge any stray litter. After that, I'll use soap and a brush to scrub it down. With everything soaped up, it's time to hose all the soap off. Make sure you get plenty of water under the litter storage flap to make sure you get all the soap and dirt out. Finally, shake all the loose water off and then let it sit out to dry. This could take a few hours depending on your weather. To speed things up, you can use a towel to help dry things off, or even a leaf blower if you have one. With everything dry, you can put it back together. First, install your waste bag. You can roll the edges a few times to help keep it contained. Once the waste bag is installed, put the waste bin back into the Litter Robot 4. After, place the filter back into the bottom of the globe and put the filter mesh back on. Next, place the globe on top of the base. After, put the bonnet on, making sure the back and sides are properly seated. Next, plug in your power if you unplugged it. After, add your litter in and trigger a cycle so the litter is level within the globe. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up so that YouTube knows that they should show it to other people. Thank you for watching.